Welcome to The Explainer. So glad you're here. We are jumping right into our sources today to tackle something absolutely crucial: how to completely transform your static, maybe slightly dusty LinkedIn profile into a 24/7 opportunity generating digital billboard. And we're doing this specifically for the 2026 job market. If you're still treating your profile like a digital filing cabinet for your old resumes, you are literally leaving money on the table. Today, we're going to break down the exact frameworks, some really clever AI prompts, and the optimization strategies you need to future-proof your career. Let's dive in. To put all of this into perspective, we really need to anchor this explainer with one massive, kind of jarring statistic: 1.2 billion. That is the global LinkedIn user base in 2026. It's wild, right? It has become the absolute default professional networking platform on the planet. Whether you're hunting for corporate roles, consulting gigs, freelance work, or, those fully remote international jobs, you are swimming in an ocean of 1.2 billion other people. Which means your profile is almost certainly being pulled up and judged way before anyone even glances at your actual resume. And honestly, that brings us to the core thesis from our source material. This should totally flip how you think about the platform. It goes like this: recruiters who find you through LinkedIn have already decided you are worth a conversation. Your profile must close the deal. Think about that. They aren't going to your page to figure out if you work in their industry. They already filtered for that. They're on your page looking for validation. Your profile's one and only job is to seal the deal and get them to send you a direct message. So here is our roadmap for the explainer today. We're going to cover your 2026 digital billboard, nailing the first impression, structuring your value metrics, implementing AI differentiators, and finally, search optimization and drills. All right, section 1, nailing the first impression. Let's start right at the top. The absolute most crucial piece of real estate you have is your headline. You've got 220 characters here, and listen to me. This is not just a place to dump your job title. It's a personal brand statement. A great headline answers 3 simple questions. What do you do? Who do you do it for? And what specific result do you produce? Our source gives a brilliant example. Instead of just writing a generic title like Cloud Architect, you write something like AI Solutions Architect, building private cloud infrastructure for West African enterprises, Blue Harvest AI. See the difference? It's specific, it's packed with value, and it instantly tells them exactly what impact you bring to the table. Actually, I'd suggest you pause the explainer right here and grab a screenshot of this prompt. It's a real game changer. If you want to build a high-performing headline without staring at a blank screen for an hour, just feed this into your AI assistant. You just plug in your current role, your key skills, your target role, and your industry, then tell the AI to generate 5 options that stay under that 220-character limit, and, this is key, instruct it to completely avoid those tired cliches. You know the ones: passionate, guru, rock star. Because honestly, no one is really a spreadsheet ninja, right? Having the AI spit out a few results-focused options makes picking the perfect headline a breeze. Now, moving on to your picture. The undeniable ROI of simply having a profile photo is staggering. We're talking 21 times more profile views and a massive 36 times more messages compared to profiles without one. Seriously, do not leave this to chance. Just make sure your photo is professional, recent, well-lit, and on a nice plain background. It is literally the easiest multiplier you can apply to your whole digital billboard. Okay, moving right along to section 2, structuring your value metrics. Your About section, well, it should definitely not be a giant, unreadable wall of text. Nobody reads those. It needs to be a super structured, snappy 3 to 5 paragraph pitch. Paragraph 1 is your hook, who you are and the unique value you deliver. Paragraphs 2 and 3, that's where you drop your actual achievements, backed up by hard numbers. Paragraph 4 outlines your specific skills and expertise. And then paragraph 5, this is absolutely crucial, needs a clear call to action. Something straightforward like, open to consulting or senior roles, connect or message me directly. You have to explicitly tell people what you want them to do next. Now, when it comes to your experience bullets, you've got to use the STAR plus metric rule. That means for every bullet point, you outline the situation, task, action, and result, but you also attach at least one specific, measurable metric to it. But here is the secret superpower behind doing this. LinkedIn profiles show up in Google search results. By structuring your experience this way and packing it with relevant keywords, you're actually boosting your SEO way beyond the borders of LinkedIn itself. It's a huge win. And just like we did with the headline, here is an incredible AI prompt from our sources that you can use to instantly upgrade your boring static experience bullets. It literally takes 15 minutes. It's called the Paste Once, Rewrite All prompt. You just dump 5 of your current resume bullets in there and instruct the AI to rewrite them all using that star plus metric format we just talked about. Tell it to use strong action verbs, inject relevant keywords for the exact job you want, and keep each one tight, like 1 or 2 lines max. Let the AI do the heavy lifting for you. Section 3, Implementing AI Differentiators. This is where things get really fun. If you want a massive, completely unfair advantage, you need to integrate a portfolio bot right into your featured section. Imagine this. You add a custom link that says, "Chat with my AI career assistant." When a recruiter clicks it, they aren't just reading a static page. They are having an intelligent, interactive conversation with a custom AI trained specifically on your background, your skills, and how to reach you. In a sea of 1.2 billion flat text-only profiles, this stops people in their tracks. It proves that you don't just talk about modern tech, you actually know how to build and deploy it. And speaking of tech, you need to make sure you are explicitly listing the right modern skills. The 2026 landscape is shifting fast. The top 5 searchable AI skills you absolutely must have on your profile right now are prompt engineering, AI workflow automation, AI content creation, chatbot development, and AI image generation. These aren't just nice-to-haves anymore. Recruiters are actively typing these exact terms into their search filters to source top candidates. Also, don't ignore the behind-the-scenes stuff. Make sure your open to work and creator mode settings are fully dialed in. You've got to accurately signal the algorithm by specifying your target roles, the specific industries you want, and your preferred location types. Are you looking for remote, hybrid, or maybe you want to target a specific city, like Lagos, which was a great example in our source data? If the system doesn't clearly understand what you're looking for, it simply cannot put your profile in front of the right recruiters. Finally, Section 4, Search Optimization and Drills. So this is an incredibly powerful 12-minute drill called the keyword match. Here's what you do. You grab your resume text and drop it into a tool like JobScan or YoTrue. Then you go find a job description for a role you really, really want, maybe on LinkedIn Jobs or a company site, and you paste it right next to your resume. Hit scan. The tool gives you an ATS match score from 0 to 100, but here's the golden ticket. It tells you the top 5 missing keywords. Those 5 words are your highest priority. You go back and strategically weave those exact keywords into your skills section, your summary, or specific bullet point. It is basically a cheat code to get past those automated search filters. Which brings us to our big final thought for today. I want you to go look at your profile right after this and ask yourself, honestly, in a sea of 1.2 billion static profiles, is your digital billboard actually starting conversations? By applying these 7 optimizations, from crafting a real, value-driven headline to structuring your metrics all the way up to deploying an AI portfolio bot, you stop being just another digital resume. You become an undeniable asset. So take these frameworks, run those drills, and future-proof your career right now. Thanks so much for hanging out with me on this explainer, and I'll catch you in the next one.